Monkey Took the Ball, A Journey Through the Enchanted Forest by Jorge Correa. The next morning, Luca, a curious boy, woke up early. The excitement of the magical forest still sparkled in his heart. He got dressed quickly, grabbed the magical soccer ball, and walked out to the open field. He took a deep breath and kicked the ball with all his strength. Whoosh! A swirling tunnel of light appeared. Luca stepped through it with a smile. He landed in a land of glowing trees, mossy ground, and twinkling skies. Magical creatures peeked out, curious and kind. Suddenly, he saw a little monkey holding his soccer ball. "Hey, give that back!" Luca called out. The monkey darted into the forest path with the ball. Luca chased after him, but couldn't keep up. "Whew," he sighed. He remembered the old lady's words. "You need the ball to return home." Deeper in the forest, Luca heard yelling. He found two white rabbits arguing. "I'm braver than you." "No, I'm braver." "Excuse me," Luca said. "Have you seen a monkey with a colorful soccer ball?" The rabbits stopped yelling. "The monkey probably went to Monkeyland," said one rabbit. "It's deep in the forest and not safe for us." "I just need the bravest one of you to show me that way," Luca said. "I'm braver." "No, I am." "Perfect," said Luca. "Then we all go." So the two rabbits led the way, with Luca very close. They followed the path into the heart of the forest. The path was suddenly blocked by magical forest creatures. They stood still, waiting. "The butterflies are migrating to the west," a rabbit said. "They have the right of way. We must wait." After a while, only two butterflies remained. They fluttered over and asked, "Why do you rabbits so far from your home? And who is this boy?" Luca answered, "A monkey took my magical ball. Without it, I can't return home. These rabbits are helping me find it at the Monkeyland." "Our sisters already went to the west. We know a faster way," the butterflies said. "We'll take you there." Luca smiled. "Thank you." And off they went, Luca, the rabbits, and the butterflies, toward Monkeyland. Suddenly, a deep voice echoed through the forest. "La!" It sounded like opera. Ahead stood a huge bear, belting out a dramatic song. Luca and the rabbits froze in place. "He's blocking the path," Luca whispered. "Don't worry," giggled the butterflies. "He's harmless. He just sings opera all day. He thinks he's the greatest singer in the forest." The bear finished his song with a flourish. Luca clapped politely. "Bravo!" The bear bowed. Thank you, thank you. The bear asked, Why are you so deep in the forest? Luca told him, A little monkey took my magical ball to the monkey land. They are helping me to go there to get it back. I need the ball to return home. The bear smiled. Looking for Monkeyland? Take this path. I was just there, but they didn't like my singing, so they sent me away. The bear chuckled. But they're very kind monkeys. With a nod and a smile, they continued down the path. We're getting closer, said the butterflies. Monkeyland is just ahead. They reached a wide clearing filled with vines and tall trees. Dozens of monkeys swung and chattered playfully. This is Monkeyland, whispered one butterfly. Luca's eyes widened. There was the little monkey. It was holding the colorful ball and showing it off to the others.
Luca stepped forward and called, Excuse me, that ball is mine. I need it to get back home.
Before the little monkey could run, a big elder monkey appeared. He looked wise and kind. Wait, he said gently. Let's hear what the boy has to say. Luca explained everything, how the ball brought him here and how he needed it to return. The little monkey, looking sad. I was playing in a tree when the ball hit me. I got scared and thought the boy might hurt me, so I ran. A little monkey gently handed the ball to Luca. It's okay, Luca said with a smile. We all make mistakes. Everyone cheered. Luca held the ball close to his chest. Thank you all, he said. I won't forget your kindness and you rabbits for your bravery. The elder monkey smiled. The rabbits excitedly laughed. Now we can go back home. The elder monkey stepped forward. Don't worry, we'll help your friends return safely to their homes. He looked down at the magical ball. Time to go home, he whispered. The butterflies fluttered around him as the wind began to swirl again. Whoosh! The magical tunnel opened again. Luca stepped into the light, ready to return his heart full of wonder. He landed gently in the open field. The stars sparkled above. Luca hugged the ball and whispered, all this from one small act of kindness. Coming soon, The Lost Children and more.